Hi everyone, is your Spectrum router blinking blue with no internet? Don't worry, in this video we will explain what it means and show you how to fix it fast. Let's get your connection back up and running. If your Spectrum router is blinking blue and you have no internet connection, it indicates that the router is trying to establish a connection but is unable to do so. Fix 1. Check connections. A loose or damaged cable can prevent the modem from properly connecting to the internet service. Ensure that all cables are securely connected. Check both the coaxial cable connecting the modem to the wall and the Ethernet cable linking the router to the modem. Make sure there are no bands or damages to the cables. If you find any issues, replace the damaged cables. Fix 2. Check for server outages. There may be a temporary service outages in your area due to maintenance or technical issues. During an outage, your modem will struggle to establish a connection, resulting in blinking white light. Use the Spectrum app or website to check if there are any reported outages in your area that might be affecting your service. Click on Chat with Us button and click M in an outage option. Fix 3. Power cycle the modem and router. Power cycle your modem can help reset any temporary glitches that might be causing connectivity issues. Unplug the router from the power source from router and modem. Leave it unplugged for about 1 minute, then plug it back in while still connected to the modem. Wait for a couple of minutes to see if the blinking blue light turns solid, indicating a successful connection. Fix 4. Resync modem and router. This process ensures that both devices are properly synced and can communicate effectively, which is essential for a stable internet connection. Unplug both the modem and router from power for about 30 seconds. First, plug in the modem and wait until its power and online lights are solid. Then plug in the router and ensure it is connected to the modem with the Ethernet cable. Wait a few minutes for them to sync. Fix 5. Factory reset the modem. The step clear any configuration errors that might be causing connecting problems but will require you to set up your network again afterward. You will find a reset button at the top back of the Spectrum router. Reset your modem by pressing and holding the reset button using small pen or a paper clip for about 30 seconds until you see the lights start blinking. This will restore factory settings, so you may need to up your network again. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum support. Internal hardware damage or failure can prevent the modem from functioning correctly. Contact Spectrum customer support for further assistance or to discuss potential replacement options. Before calling, note down your account number, modem model, and any error messages or symptoms you have observed, like blinking lights. Dial 833-224-6603 to reach Spectrum customer service. This is their main support line for technical issues. Ask to schedule a technician visit to diagnose and fix any potential wiring or signal issues. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.